Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And today we are unboxing the box from Dr. Ava from Beverly Hills in Santa Monica. If you are ever in the area, she is a dermatologist, world famous. She's been on the Dr. Oz show, on the Doctor Show. And look at what we've got here. Okay, hello, we've got 5 items today. And we're gonna go through them one by one, starting right now. Okay, so number 1, Restore C. It's a repairing neck and décolletage cream. Yes, please, how exciting is that? Okay, short of a neck lift, which might be my future. This is a firming and it's a treatment with vibrancy complex. Okay, love that. How great is that? That is amazing. And she gives you a little pamphlet here. That's Dr. Ava there. There she is, Dr. Ava Shamban. And spring has sprung. This is her spring box. She curates a quarterly box. And look, this is everything that's inside. A sneak peek. And we're gonna just talk about the Restore C. Okay, ready? Says here, what is it? It's a neck and décolletage treatment. It's a gel serum designed to infuse special enzymes into the delicate areas of your neck and décolletage. Why you need it? It should come as no surprise that your skin is very different on your body than it is on your face. So the treatment should be different, and that's what they've curated here. So you wouldn't use hand cream on your face. That's why you use this or the neck. Thank you, Dr. Ava. Love that. Okay, then moving on. Theraderm. Okay, Theraderm. Let's see what this is. It says here it's an ethical skincare, new peel, natural enzyme peel. Yes, please. So that's a little peel. Love that. Okay. This is, what is it? It's a natural enzyme peel that gently removes dead skin cells to promote a glowing, radiant skin utilizing papaya enzymes to naturally exfoliate, packed with botanical extracts like aloe, grapeseed, and whatnot. Why you need it? It's an at-home natural facial peel that assists in the battle against stressed skin and premature aging. Perfect. Thank you, Dr. Ava. Love that. Okay, moving on. Afore. It's a CBD A Fuse. It's a soothing skin mist. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's read about this. So it's a CBD skin mist. And it says here, okay, it is first of its kind antioxidant facial mist and is formulated using 100 milligrams of CBD nano emulsion. It's natural anti-inflammatory, yes please, properties work in concert with green tea, vitamin C, witch hazel to calm and cool the skin from depuffing and easing redness. Okay, why don't we just put a little bit of that on right now? Okay, love that. Okay, perfect, love that. Thank you, that is fantastic. This is, who can use this? It's ideal for all skin types and is gluten and paraben free. Love that. Okay, moving on. Teague Hanley. Okay, guess what? The men out there, your hubbies out there, look at Teague Hanley. It's for men. It comes with a man card, whatever that is. It's probably a coupon or something. But yeah, to get a free level 1 skincare. Okay, so we're gonna open this up right now. Skincare for men. How great is that? Okay, so it comes with 3 items. It comes with the scrub bar, so let's open that. 2 times per week body exfoliating scrub bar. Okay, my husband's gonna love this. Hubbies, you are not gonna miss out. Okay, ooh, and it smells manly too. So it's a little black like man bar, okay? And then second, we have a moisturizing lip balm, SPF 30, which my husband is always losing his lip chapstick. So this is a lip balm, SPF 30, love that, okay. Little lip balm, how great is that? And then the third is for the eyes, skincare for men, AM, PM eye cream. Okay, you know what? This is great because my husband does get a little puffy eyes. So, wow, how great is that? Okay, that is fantastic. And I'm just gonna read a little bit about it so that you get the lowdown and the skinny on what exactly it is and what it does. At Teague Hanley, it is uncomplicated skincare designed for the modern man, but also great for for the modern woman. We selected a few key products: scrub body bar, eyes AM PM cream, and the lip balm. For sharing, give the man card to someone close to you and let them choose their own skincare. Why you need it. The body bar provides exfoliation for rough areas. The eye cream is formulated with caffeine and vitamin B3 to increase microcirculation, diminish dark circles, yes please, and puffiness. How great is that? Okay, love that. Something for the man. Okay, but this thing right here, MSB. MSB is my skin buddy. And guess what? This is like the Clairsonic. Check it out, okay? So it comes in this, this is what it looks like. Take off the little thing. And but let me read about this because it's not just one thing. It's like 4 things in one, okay? So this is amazing. Okay, this is an at-home treatment. What it is, My Skin Buddy is a revolutionary handheld device, facial device that utilizes 4 proven technologies. Okay, so ready for this? Number 1, iontophroses, try saying that twice. It's a deep cleansing, gentle exfoliation, and enhanced product penetration through negatively and positively charged ions. Okay, love that. Second, it's an LED light emitting diode therapy, which is shown to improve the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. Yes, please, love that. Fight bacteria that leads to acne and reduce redness and promote brightening and even skin tone. Love that. The third thing it does, it's an ultrasonic vibration, assists in breaking up dead skin cells and helps to stimulate the production of collagen and elastin while increasing the synthesis of hyaluronic acid, giving skin a firmer, plumper appearance. Yes, please, and thank you. And finally, thermal heat therapy, which helps to improve blood circulation, increase oxygen to cells, plump skin, and reduce the appearance of pore size. That's a four things in one. The value of this product alone, $295. Thank you so very much. My Skin Buddy is safe for all skin types, makes a great complement to your daily skincare routine, and can be used with cleanser, toner, serum, or moisturizer. There you have it. How fantastic is this box? Go look up Dr. Ava. If you're ever in Beverly Hills or Santa Monica, go to her office, and she has all kinds of great products, and order her box. How fantastic is this box by Dr. Ava? Anyways, I love you guys. Don't forget to watch next week because I've got lots of things weekly. I'm going to start uploading weekly, which I usually do anyways. I'm going to try to do it on Wednesday. And subscribe and tell a friend. Are you telling all your friends about me? I've got a lot to share with you. So again, love God, love others, and until next time, bye.